Hey guys, this is Radhika, and today's video is on time and distance. But please do watch my last video. It contains the solution of GATE 2020, the aptitude portion. So now we will focus on time and distance. I've seen that in most of the GATE questions, time and distance serves as a very important topic. So first we will deal with the solved problem. In my last video we have dealt with the theory and the formulas related to this topic. So there are four main type of question asked on this topic. So we will try to understand the theory behind those questions, like what kind of questions are asked, and we will take examples on each of them. Okay, and we will try to solve those questions. So type 1, the type 1 question, what kind of questions come under this category? So the question are calculate either time, speed or distance from other two given parameters. Okay, simple. We just have to employ the formula speed is equals to distance upon time. So we will employ this formula and try to solve this question. So the first question is, how many seconds does Aditi to cover a distance of 500 meter if she runs at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour? Okay, distance is given, which is 500 meter, and the speed is given, which is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, we have to find the answer in second. The units are not same, so we have to do conversion also. The option are 60 second, 82 second, 95 second and 100 second. So let's see how this question is solved. So as I have told you, one parameter is not given and the other two are given. So we will simply employ the formula time is equals to distance upon speed. But as I have told you, the units are not same. Distance is given in meters while the speed is given in kilometer per hour, and the answer is asked in seconds. Okay, so now we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So we can do this by multiplying 5 upon 18 meter per second to the given value of speed. Okay, so we'll do 30 kilometer is equals to 30 into 5 upon 18 is equals to 75.9. So now placing these values in the form, we get time is equals to distance is 500 meter into speed. We have find the speed as 75 by 9, so 9 by 75 is equals to 60 seconds. Now type 2 question, calculate speed of two people moving between 2 points A and B in opposite directions and crossing each other's way. Okay, so this is the type 2. So let's see the questions on this. Question is, two girls move in opposite directions. Okay, two girls from a point move in opposite direction, one from A to B and other from B to A. Okay, the girl from one reaches the destination in 16 hours and the girl from B reaches the destination in 25 hours after having met. If former speed is 25 km per hour, what will be the speed of latter? Okay, so this is the question. Now the options are 10 km per hour, 12 km per hour, 16 km per hour and 20 km per hour. So let's see how it is solved. Okay, so remember the formula. If two bodies A and B move from each other starting point in opposite direction, they reach their destination after having met. Then their speed SA and SB are given by, yes, the formula is SA upon SB is equals to under root of TB upon TA. So where T is the time taken by them to cover the distance. So we will substitute the value and we have find the answer as 20 km per hour. So 20 km per hour is the correct answer to this. So now type 3. Type 3 is finding relative speed of two bodies moving in same or opposite direction. Okay, so this is the question. We have to find the relative speed. The question is, two towns P and Q are 275 km apart. A motorcycle rider starts from P towards Q at 8 am at the speed of 25 km per hour. Another rider starts from Q towards P at 9 am at the speed of 20 km per hour. Find at what time they will cross each other. So we have to find the time. Okay, we have to find the time. Somewhat different question. Okay, so let's see how this question is solved. So now we know that we have read that relative speed between two bodies moving in opposite direction. Okay, when opposite directions are considered, so we add the speeds. So relative speed is equals to S1 plus S2. Now assuming the distance traveled by P in x hours is equals to 25 into x kilometer. 25x kilometer. Okay, and the distance traveled by Q in x minus 1 hours is equals to 20x minus 1 kilometer. Okay, now adding 1 and 2. Okay, we have to add both this and the sum is 275 and x is equals to, so after solving the question we get x is equals to 6.5 hours. Now So x minus 1 is equals to 6.5 minus 1 is equals to 5.5 hours. Okay, now we have to find the time. So we know that the journey was started at 9 am, so we'll add, so we get the answer as 2.30 pm. Now the last topic is type is numerical on average speed when the same part of total distance is traveled at 2 or more different speed. Okay, नहीं समझा ना, देखते हैं क्वेश्चन में क्या मतलब है इसका. So the question is, an aeroplane flying 1000 km covers the first 200 km at the rate of 200 km per hour, the second 200 km at 400 km per hour, the third 200 km at 600 km per hour, and the last 200 km at the rate of 800 km per hour. Determine the average speed of the aeroplane. Okay, so the options are 250 km per hour, 300 km per hour, 480 km per hour, and 600 km per hour. Okay, so these are the options. So let's see how this is this question solved. Now we know the formula, time is equals to distance upon speed. So we have to find the total time taken. So we will divide all the values given in the question. So is equals to 200 upon 200 plus 200 upon 400 plus 200 upon 600 plus 200 upon 800. So after solving this, we have got the value as 25 upon 12. So the average speed is 1000 upon 25 into 12, which is 480 km per hour. So thank you guys, I hope you have liked my video, and please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and also share. If you have any queries related to any topic, and if you want to recommend me something, recommend me a topic, so you can recommend me. Also thank you again, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.